Hello everyone. Welcome back to KGB English Hub. Are you afraid of speaking English? Do you hesitate because you think you'll make mistakes? Well, today I have 5 simple and powerful tips to help you speak English confidently and fluently. And guess what? These tips have worked for so many English learners. I'll even share real success stories to inspire you. So, let's start. Tip 1. Think in English. Many beginners make a common mistake. They translate sentences in their head before speaking. This slows you down and makes you nervous. But here's the secret. Start thinking in English. Even if you don't know many words, try to describe your surroundings in English. For example, I am making tea. That's a beautiful car. I need to buy some fruits today. Maria, one of my students, used to translate everything from Spanish to English. It took her forever to form a sentence, but when she started thinking in English, even simple thoughts, she became faster and more confident. Now she speaks fluently without hesitation. Try this. Throughout the day, try to think in English, even if it's just one sentence at a time. Tip 2. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Let me ask you, how did you learn your first language? Did you make mistakes? Of course, and that's how you learned. English is the same. Many learners hesitate because they fear making mistakes. But the truth is, mistakes help you improve. Jack was always afraid of speaking English because he thought people would laugh at him. But one day, he tried to order coffee and said, "I want 2 coffee." The barista corrected him, "You mean I want 2 cups of coffee?" Instead of feeling embarrassed, Jack smiled and thanked her. He never made that mistake again, and today he speaks English confidently. Try this. Speak English every day, even if you make mistakes. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. Tip 3. Practice with real conversations. Think about this. Can you learn to swim by just reading about swimming? No, you need to jump into the water. Speaking English is the same. You have to practice real conversations. Don't just study grammar. Start speaking. Priya was great at writing in English but was too shy to speak. So she joined an online language group where she spoke English for just 10 minutes every day. At first she was nervous, but after 1 month, wow, her confidence skyrocketed. Try this. Speak with friends in English. Join online speaking groups. Use apps like Tandem or HelloTalk to talk with native speakers. Comment below. Who do you practice English with? Let me know. Tip 4. Learn phrases, not just words. Here's a secret. Fluent speakers don't think word by word. They think in phrases. Instead of memorizing words like apologize, learn the full phrase, "I'm sorry for being late." Ahmed wanted to sound more natural in English, so instead of learning just words, he focused on useful phrases like, "Can you please repeat that? That sounds interesting. I'd love to, but I'm busy right now." In just a few weeks, his English sounded smooth and natural. Try this. Write down 10 everyday phrases and practice them in conversations. Tip 5. Imitate native speakers. Do you want to sound more fluent and natural? Try copying native speakers. Listen to how they speak, their pronunciation, their tone, then repeat after them. Lisa loved watching English TV shows, but instead of just watching, she copied how actors spoke. She paused, repeated sentences, and even practiced their expressions. Today she sounds almost like a native speaker. Try this. Watch English movies or YouTube videos. Pause and repeat the sentences exactly like the speaker. Try shadowing. Play a sentence and say it at the same time. This trick works like magic. So now you have 5 easy tips to speak English confidently. Let's review them. Think in English. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Practice real conversations. Learn useful phrases. Imitate native speakers. Which tip was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more English lessons, share with your friends who want to improve their English. Let's keep learning together on KGB English Hub. See you in the next video. Bye!